जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 9th श्लोक. Sanjaya is saying to Dhritarashtra, "O Dhritarashtra, Arjuna said to Krishna that I am not going to fight." He decided and he told Krishna. Who is this Arjuna? This Arjuna is the one who conquered his laziness, who conquered his senses, who conquered his sleep. Arjuna is the one who can kill all the enemies just with his effulgence. Such is Arjuna said to Krishna Paramatma that I shall not fight anymore. Who is the Krishna? The one who can control the sensory organs of all the entities in this entire universe. Who is Krishna? The one who came down as Krishna Paramatma to kill all the bad people and give the joy to this entire earth. Such is Govinda, such is Hrishikesha. Arjuna is saying that to Hrishikesha, Govinda, Sri Krishna Paramatma, that I shall not fight. Having this meaning running in our thoughts, visualizing that we are sitting in the shoes of Arjuna in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, at the feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and thinking that Krishna Paramatma is giving his Gitopadesam to us directly, with this thought process, let us now say the sloka. Eva muktva Hrishikesam Gudakesaha Parantapaha Nayotsya Iti Govindam Vuktva Tushnim Babhuvaha. Om. The moral from this sloka, which we have to be practicing in our day-to-day life: do not give up. Get rid of all your false lamentation and passiveness. Approach highly evolved people who are around you and take their advices and suggestions. As an essence of the entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on dedicating all your actions to me and keep saying, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall not give up. I shall definitely approach highly evolved people who are around me and take their suggestions and advices. O Srimannarayana, I shall always think about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on dedicating all my actions to you and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. O Srimannarayana, I shall always think that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely read at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. O Srimannarayana, I shall spread Srimad Bhagavad Gita among devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Keep forwarding this video to as many people as you can. That is what is Gita Pracharam, that is what is Dharma Pracharam, that is the minimum responsibility of every one of us. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्री सुक महर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यास महर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi is saying to all the Saunaka and other rishis, O Maharshis, while Krishna Paramatma reaching Dwaraka, all the people from Dwaraka giving a great warm reception to Sri Krishna Paramatma, and they are all praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Sriman Narayana, O Paramatma, the one Brahmadeva who can do this entire creation, is always worships your divine lotus-like feet. O Sriman Narayana, the one who is enjoying Swargadhipatyam, the heaven, the Indra, he also does your Aradhana, your Padam, your Sripada Aradhana. O Sri Krishna Paramatma, Sanaka and all the great rishis also does worships your Sripadam. Virinchi Vairinchya Surendra Vanditam Ni Padabjamu Brahma Pujyamu Kada. Your feet is the one which is worshipped by everyone in this entire creation. O Krishna, the one whoever wants to get the most famous in this entire universe, they have to come to you. The one whoever wants to get the ultimate goal of their life is achieved, they have to come to you. The one whoever wants to enjoy all the pleasures, they have to come to you. The one whoever wants to get yoga kshemam, they have to come to you. Like this, for everyone, you are the one who can bless. For every desire, you are the one who can fulfill. The one whoever wants to get moksham, your padam can give that moksham. Your Sri Padam can give that moksham. O Krishna, your seva, your service removes all kind of pains, sufferings which are there in this samsaram. O Krishna, even Brahma and other devas, they are under this column. The column can take away them, but you are the one who have this time, the column also under your control. Such great supreme you are, Krishna. You are the cause for this entire creation. You are the protector of this entire Srishti. You are all the way, you are in all kind of possible ways you are related to us, Krishna. Usually there will be one relation between each other, but you are related to us in each and every possible way. Tvameva mata adha suhrut patih pita. O Krishna, you are our father, you are my mother, you are my protector, you are my master, you are Tvam Sadguruhu, you are my Acharya, Nah Paramancha Daivatam, you are my Daivam. O Krishna, Tanrulakella Tanriyagu, Dhataku Tanri Videva Deva, మా తండ్రివి, మా తల్లివి, మా పతివి, మా దైవమవున్, మా సఖివిన్, మా గురుండవున్. You are every possible way you are related to us, Krishna. Oh Krishna, only with your kataksham, only with your grace, we are living happily. Only with your divine grace, we are enjoying everything. Oh Krishna, we cannot bear separation from you anymore. Ni dooratana morvalemu toyajanetra. Krishna, we cannot bear the separation from you anymore. Oh Krishna, please be here with all of us. Like this, all the people from Dwaraka, while giving reception to Sri Krishna Paramatma, praying and also expressing their tenderness, their love and affection towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena amarasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna సంరక్షమాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 2nd chapter 9th శ్లోక. ఏవముక్త్వా హృషీకేశం గుడాకేశః పరంతపః నయోత్స్య ఇతి గోవిందం ఉక్త్వా తూష్ణీం బభూవః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.